Hey guys, well, it's finally time for a brand new MH Tutorials 3D modeling challenge, so don't go anywhere. Okay, well, like I said, a brand new challenge. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I need to announce the winner of the Mike and Mike challenge. Now, that was a challenge on my Facebook page. A couple of people decided to do this. They wanted to make a 3D model of me. No idea why, but they did. I put up a video with the entries a little while back, and the winner of that challenge is this piece right here, and it's made by Henry Stravinka. Now, Henry, as always, your work is awesome, and I understood that you made this as a tribute to me, not necessarily to win the contest, but just as a way to say thank you. So, thank you, buddy. It's awesome, right? Okay, so now let's get into the new challenge. What we're talking about here is a fantasy medieval weapon that needs to be created, and it's going to be used in Dogwood Gaming's brand new game called Ocracy, as in democracy, right? It's a city building game, and for that the model needs to be pro level. You don't need to be professional, but it means that the game is going to be very nice detail and very good. Okay, so come up with your very best work. I'm going to put all the rules on the screen in a sec, what the game is about, the rules, the dates, all that kind of stuff, right? So just so you know, bring in your best work, your A game, make sure it's awesome, and you will get the opportunity, if you win, to get your model into a brand new game, right? So thank you, Dogwood Gaming, for the collaboration. Can't wait to see the game released, and to all of you contenders, may the best person win, and I'll put a link down below to all the details. Okay, so have fun.